The environment is important to me for, I feel like what should be obvious reasons.
After we had our daughter.
It's obviously where we live, where we make our home.
Nobody's going to sell you a product and say, hey, use this product for screen printing, it's great. Oh, by the way, it's gonna kill you and it's gonna screw up our environment.
When traditional, conventional cotton shirts are made, a lot of that remnant cotton, when they stamp it out, just gets thrown into a landfill.
That's not in anybody's marketing plan. So trying to read between the lines, figure out and learn, what products we needed to stay away from, what products we could use that would enhance our personal environmental mission. So for this job, we're using LivingInk, which is an algae ink, carbon negative. It's a byproduct of the Spirulina industry. The growing process of growing the algae uses up more carbon than we expend producing the product.
We love Almade because they're using recycled polyester, they're also using recycled cotton, which is taking cotton out of landfills, and they're using tencel modal, which is obviously a great option because it's beech cellulose, which is fast growing, doesn't use a lot of water, and is super soft. So it's a marriage of all of those things that we are looking for.
I'm Tim.
And I'm Carrie.
With North Shore Printing, and we're in Largo, Florida.